broke a piece of sidewalk there, coming in and out. Blowing straw. Got it, brother? Keeps them out of the gym. Work hard during the day. They ain't gotta go to Gold's at night. All right, let's go back to Home Depot and buy rock hard bags of concrete. Need 3 2x4x6s, 2 pieces of expansion, 22 bags of 80 pounders.
22 bags?
22 bags because only 10 of them will be usable. 2x6s?
That's what you said.
No way, this is sidewalk, cuz.
I know, that's what you said. I said
what's wrong with you guys? You really do want to waste money.
I said to him,
oh my goodness.
2x6.
What's wrong with you boys? Seriously.
I'm seriously.
What, when I want to dig everything out by hand?
That's.
All right, get a shovel.
You only gotta do that here and there.
I gotta leave, get down to the courthouse soon. Unbelievable. You got a 2x6 for a screed board?
Yes, that's what you said to get. Did he not?
You're serious, right?
Said get 3 2x.
I couldn't believe
2x4x6s, 6 foot long. It's real simple.
6 foot long.
So get 8 footers. I'll cut a foot off. Oh my goodness.
Why would you even cut it and use it on your deck?
You can't, it's not pushing trees.
All right, just never mind. Never mind. This is Bill's landscaping out here. Unbelievable. John M, are you seeing this? All right, let's keep going. Concrete's pulling up any minute. Phil, come on, you know better than this.
I know better, that's what you said though.
I didn't say that. I said 2x4x6s or 2x4x8s, whatever. 2x4 is all we needed.
No, I said this is all for that.
That's an extra $50 in lumber here.
No, it's not.
Yes, all right, $52. Come on, this is 2024. You kidding me?
What?
They ain't got nobody in the factory to make these, so the price went up. This is America.
Give me that. Also, I gotta come out this way.
Ay, 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 ay. You see what we got to put up with every day? Gerald.
Home Depot don't sell 6-footers.
Get an 8-footer.
Get 8 or
I'll put the rest in the wood stove tonight. I had a claw. That's all right, Bill. It makes for good TV. Right, Gerald? John M's gonna be like, what? Let me have a pen, boys. There, you backed over them there already. They're underneath the bumper.
Long one.
Short one, Bubba. What's that, Bub? You like them? They're right on the Milwaukee's.
I would have hit my finger by now.
That'll be me in a couple years when I start going blind. Da-na-na-na.
That sidewalk here, okay? Goes out like this.
Gerald, throw me a nail, please. I was gonna have you get me a box of nails, but you'd have probably got the wrong ones.
We probably would have.
What's the matter?
Is that yellow stuff like the nails?
Oh, I don't know, Gerald. Let me just keep going. Get me expansion joint. I gotta leave here soon, so I'm under the gun. I'm afraid when I leave, throw a bucket or something in there just to keep it from pushing. It's gonna work for what we're doing. 2x6s, huh? I love giving these guys a hard time. I think they like it too. What are you gonna do, Pops? So, broke the sidewalk, obviously. Taking the machine in and out of here. There's really no way around it. Alright, protect it. Throw wood down. I threw mats down. It is what it is. Gotta get sewer in. Here we are. With 2x6s. And still smiling. Oh my goodness. Ooh. It'd be nice to have a longer pen. Breathing room, Bill. Let me get the trowel. I'm done with this. A little farther, brother. Yeah, that's good. It's gonna have, yeah, we'll be fine. Let's do it. How many hard bags did you get? We got a rake under there. Yeah, get that thing out of there before we trip on it and Somebody twist an ankle, then we'll lose the rest of the day going to the doctor's. Only me that rips out on, huh? I think I got it. Did I not? All right. Fire it up.
Fire it up, fire it up, put it up.
Mud Mixer 3000, that's finest. Bill's Tool Rental. The PA Farm Show. Number 3 going in a hole. Yeah, it's got to get it nice and level, you know?
Good mix, ain't it?
We did some deck piers the other night. We struggled a little bit with this, but it was our own stupidity. Can't blame Mud Mixer 3000 here. Gotta have that thing set and level and all that good stuff. So we could have moved that forward. We went up to shovel the concrete, but then we don't need 3 guys here. So, you know, we like to all keep everybody busy. Hey, Bill.
How we roll, fellas?
Just get me a shelf going, Gerald, and I'll screed it off.
What?
Get me a shelf, I'll screed it off. I don't know how many videos I watched of this on YouTube. Finally get to see one run on our job in person. This is the second time. We did some deck piers the other night. It's like a one-man operation. Get him some concrete bags on the job, give him a mud mixer, and say I'll see you at 4 p.m.
I got it.
Little motor in the back. Got a little gauge on here. Looks like electrical box. Two little water jets in there squirting down. A little spiral auger. Little hopper extension here.
Must. It's a must.
That's a must. Got an extra bag or two in there. You got more time to do something else. Getting a little wet. Alright, I'm gonna use a 2x6 to screed it since we didn't have 2x4s. I put the I put balls all away already. Gerald, come on up here. Another one. So I know, I hear it, but everybody's different, right? You all know that. Everybody's like, or some of you are like, that bag mix just ain't the same as a concrete truck. Maybe you're right, maybe you're not. How do you get a concrete truck out here for one block? That's a $600 bill. The yard of concrete. Let's just say $100. Should be less than that. Delivery fee of $300. Start crunching the numbers, fellas. And mix this with a 5-gallon bucket. That thing's got a turntable. It'll actually swivel. Yes. Come to me, Poppy.
There's a bucket in there. You want to watch this? I'll look at the bucket.
Yeah. What do you do? Just shut this switch off when it's ready? Got too much concrete in there. I gotta mix the whole thing and I'll just get rid of the concrete. I think we got too much. Mix the whole thing and get it out of the way. Well, I don't know. We may, don't know. So, all right, get out of that, get me out of that water. Yeah. Watch my sidewalk here. I may need a little bit. Huh? I may just need a little bit.
It's pretty high, Lee.
Gonna be able to ice skate on this thing when we're done.
Absolutely.
All right,
I can move this truck ahead and wow. Top of that dirt.
Let me see what I got here. I do, but I won't for long. There's a... Okay, we're gonna need this little crete. Got it. All right, fellas, clean up. Do what you got to do.
I'm gonna pull the truck ahead, get it out of the way. I'm gonna clean up right there in that circle.
There it is, fellas. You get this thing laid in here and get done.
Alright. Why don't you put a nut on there so you can use your gun on that?
The what, Milwaukee gun?
Yeah.
Gerald, I gotta do something. I mean, I already know I'm ugly, but if I don't get out and do something, I'm gonna get fat, and that's not good. I actually make these in hydraulic too. But, you know, it's too easy. It's too easy. Right?
Yes, sir. 20,000? 20 ton, right? Is this trailer more?
25. 25 ton.
How do you do this? Up?
Up. Yeah, let me get that. And just turn that hook the other way. There you go.
How long have you had a truck like this?
I bought this in 2006. I'm backing up. You want to get out in the street traffic? Oh, I love it. Too much fun, too much fun. $2:30, I think it is. It's $12:30. We might as well go for lunch. We got all kinds of time. Yeah, could do that. Could do that. You could pick me up from there, and then well, we'll have two guys. Yeah. Well, we'll might as well, yeah, we'll might as well bring a little dirt. All right, that's enough fun. There it is. There it is. Done. Almost done. Finish this up, clean up, be on our job tomorrow. It was fun. Hope you enjoyed it.